Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can customize our Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and as you can see by my wallpaper, I'm using the default theme and it's kind of boring, so I'm going to customize it. I'm going to make my Samsung Galaxy phone looks more aesthetic. If we want to do that, we can go to our settings application and then we have to open the theme setting. In this Galaxy themes, we will be able to access a lot of wallpapers, icons, and then the themes as well. And first of all, I'm going to change the wallpaper on my Samsung Galaxy phone. I'm going to go to the wallpaper section and I'm going to click on this top wallpaper and I'm just going to select the free wallpaper. I'm gonna select this one guys. Okay, and then before we apply this wallpaper to our phone, actually we have to download it, and here I have downloaded this wallpaper, so now I can apply it to my Samsung Galaxy phone. And here we can choose where to apply. We can apply to lock screen or home screen or both of them, and I'm going to apply to lock screen and my home screen. Then we can click on next and then click on apply. Okay, and before we apply the wallpaper, we can customize our lock screen. You can change the clock style right here. Just click on the clock style and choose the clock style that you like, and I'm gonna go with this one. For example, we can also customize the font and the color of the clock. I'm going to select this color, for example, then click on done. Okay, and after that we're going to customize our icon on our Samsung Galaxy phone. I'm just going to select icon and then go to the top, and then you can choose the icon that you like. I'm gonna go with this one, for example guys. I think it looks cute, so I'm going to apply it to my phone. We can download it and then just wait until the icon has been downloaded, and then I'm going to click on apply and just hold on. You have to wait until 100%. And now as you can see guys that my wallpaper has been changed and my icon as well, and it looks better than before, right? And I'm going to take a look at my lock screen. Okay, and this is how my lock screen looks like, and it looks better. It looks more aesthetic. Alright guys, and that's how we can customize our Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.